Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Today I'm going to talk about 15 California natives blooming all over this great state of ours. If you like to walk through the canyons like I do, you'll notice all kinds of things in bloom now. We've had a great winter, lots of things are blooming. So let me identify 15 things you might see in your walk around the canyon. This is a California wild rose. This is actually the only rose native to California. Blooms only in the springtime after it's had a good rain. Wonderful pink flowers, kind of a big old sprawling plant. Next is our beloved state flower, the California poppy. Also, this is an annual, pops up like crazy everywhere in the state. By the millions, you'll see this blooming all over the place. Wonderful little annual. It reseeds with a vengeance, so you will see it year after year after year. Really fun little plant. Next, we have the Mattia poppy. This actually spreads by underground rhizomes, and it is a beautiful giant white flower that is popular around. Nice cut flower, good butterfly plant. My favorite California native, the Cleveland sage. Very fragrant foliage, wonderful bird plant. Also pretty good for slopes. Nice little plant. Okay, now we have the monkey flower. If you see little bits of orange sprinkled in the canyons, it's this guy, the monkey flower. A really good plant because rabbits won't leave it. Rabbits won't bother it because of its sticky leaf nature. Next, we have the big iconic ceanothus. This covers the hills with fields of lilacs and blues in the spring, and it's just a fabulous shrub for drought-tolerant gardens, all different sizes. Really reliable plant. Next, we have the California buckwheat. Really good plant. Very, very tough. Nice little cut flower and a good butterfly plant as well. Speaking of plants for butterflies and hummingbird gardens, this is probably the best of all the hummingbird plants on this list. This is the California fuchsia. Hummingbirds love those red tubular flowers. A really reliable one. It kind of grows just everywhere. This is black sage, not to be confused with white sage. Also a wonderful native plant. Wonderful whitish type flowers, kind of fragrant foliage. I love salvias, they're wonderful. This one's a little bit of a weed, but boy, it puts on a big flower show. This is Brillbrush, California sunflower. Really nice little yellow flowers you'll see all over the place. Now, if you're willing to look up, this is a coast live oak, and oaks have flowers too if they get enough rain. And so here are all the flowers of an oak tree. These are going to become acorns in the fall for squirrels to enjoy greatly. Next, we have the yarrow. Now, the original yarrow, this is the original California yarrow, became the foundation plant for all the different multicolored yarrows you see in your nurseries today. But the original yarrow was a California native. Good hummingbird and butterfly plant. Also pretty good for cut flowers. Here's a really fabulous one. This is showy penstemon. This is one of the few California native penstemons. Really beautiful purple flowers in the springtime. This is showy penstemon, a really nice perennial, really kind of fun for gardens. Now, a little bit on the different side, this is a shrub. This is actually called toyon. This one has white flowers in the spring, but I decided to show the berries because it's the berries in the fall that you really see. Kind of looks like a little holly bush. Wonderful red berries everywhere. Birds love this plant. Another shrub that birds love, this is the lemonade berry. Really fun flowers, nice fragrant foliage. And one of my personal favorites, the redbud tree. This is the western redbud. It is a California native. Now, it's really more of a shrub. It's not very big, but it does have these wonderful pink flowers. Well, that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.